Well, it is all over at Loftus Stadium. Mamelodi Sundowns 2, MC Alger 0. CAF Champions League group stages. Mamelodi Sundowns finishes in second position and they are through to the quarterfinals of the CAF Champions League. Again, the score: Mamelodi Sundowns 2, MC Alger Rulane 0. Not by myself, ngiphethe umphela. Is that all you can say?
Nje.
This is True Pass bafethu. Uma ukuthi naqala usijoyina, please do subscribe. Uma ukuthi you are returning, we love you and appreciate your support. Elami igama usiboniso Sizo owakomnikazi isibongo. And I said Mamelodi Sundowns was going to win and advance. And Mphela said
Sundowns, they won't win. They won't win tomorrow, so they are out. The reason why I was disappointed is because I was seeing with money the history that has been made for such a long time. And then now it's going to be just broken, just like that. So I was very, very, very sad about it before the game. I didn't say anything, especially
no, say new season
when we did ama review.
Ungabe usukhulumela phansi manje usudla amagama like khuluma nje sikuzwe kahle.
Ndija ihumble pie kaloku.
Thank you. That's what I wanted to hear. But let us go to today's game. Let us go because I want to do this because like you go to that preview, go to YouTube, you go to Facebook. Yay, abantu besibiza ngaphansi kwamkweyiketi kanzima kabi, which we do not condone. We condemn that. But again, people got emotions. Football is a sport of emotions. So how did you make of today's game?
As I told you, this game was not only about just the game on the pitch. There was a lot of emotions that were invested on this game. There were a lot of talking points that were done, a lot of hot, not just normal pre-match conferences. So even on the game,
We saw the statement, Caroline. What's a long
long statement, like reading everything, trying to clear the air. So everything, because now there was this thing that if Sundowns fails to win, it means whatever these conditions, these worms that have been talking about, it means they are there.
It's
then
worked.
yes, also if Sundowns wins, it gives the confidence towards abadlali, but also nabadlali nabo they want the Champions League. Sundowns is about the Champions League. Sundowns is in top 4 in Africa. It's a big team, so it's not good. No, Sundowns they crashed out, not even able to go past my group stages. So it was going to be disappointing.
Yeah.
But other than that, to them I'm happy. To them I'm very excited.
Indeed, it would have been very disappointing, a team that played a final being knocked out in the group stages. We have seen things like this where it's starring Sifa movie. We've also seen that in South Africa, Nedbank Cup. But we were hoping for not such to happen today. But take us through the game.
A game. Coach Rolano approach the game with the 4-4-2, and then with the intention of just absorb the pressure, do immediate block, and then when you try to find the ball, you go on a counter attacks. You just go wide to try to go to find a counter attacks, and then you
can go
you bring the crosses. So that was his game plan. He didn't want to be more aggressive, but he just wanted to cheat, especially in the midfield, to try and enforce a turnover towards Omgwena and try to build up. He play from there. That was his game. The whole first half, he was just doing the thing because there was nothing. There was much that he was doing that you could see. No, maybe the individual brilliance. No, you could see that the game plan is just clear. Just because you know that you won't be able to dominate Sundowns with the possession. But whenever you regain the possession, you must make sure that you use it effectively by just try to go wide, and then you try to bring Amalokuzana crosses or the balls, to dangerous balls to the box and play on the speed. So that was it. And try, when the Sundowns build up, allow them to build up and try to neutralize them on the midfield. So that was the approach in the first half. Whereas on the other side, Sundowns on the approach came with a little bit of a 4-4-2 diamond in a way, of which, or maybe you can say maybe 4-3-3, of which Sundowns today, credit to the players, credit to the coach, credit to the but I mean, I'm the one that is always advocating for the coaches, that I'm tired of this thing that when it's players, when Sundowns win, no, it's the players.
No,
when
but I'm too when the first thing you say credit to the players.
No, it's just that today I've said something that I have not been seeing. Now you've seen. Do you know this Matthews of today? Is this the one that was playing?
This is the Matthews that I know. I always tell you about. Now you always bash me when I hype Matthews. I
asked you last time, but Matthews was like, hey.
Yeah, I was frustrated. But when he came to Mamelodi Sundowns, Matthews has always been a gem. Ashwebe we care, Ashwebe my 1v1, but he has always been a gem, a beautiful player to watch.
Yes, a beautiful player to watch. I was still on the players.
Yeah.
Mtau, Hibu. Timbers one when he got in, Hibu. Tapelom Rain, Hibu. Leon, Hibu. Itibatiba, Hibu. Bafan ba mai. Rowan Williams. So Bobo Fulega namhlanje. Rowan Williams namhlanje. Yeah, but Rowan Williams didn't put the balls outside or didn't misplay some pass namhlanje. It was very good, very comfortable.
MCLJ almost scored a goal through the back pass thing that they were doing there, Williams and Grant Kekana.
Ndota.
What are you talking about?
Ndota. When you talking about that one incident.
The second incident, the ball is with the Williams and then he passes the opponent.
He was very better today.
Another opportunity, the opponent almost scored, and we were saved by the offside, but Williams the second.
But still, that guy was not going to score because that guy failed to score. Well, but Williams, he commanded the goal post, aerial balls. He commanded. He built a play when Sundowns was playing because Veli Lokozana was not pressing. It's very good. He was always able to find the spaces. Usales when he was coming to midfield, he was always able to find Umkwena when he was dropping in. Always able to find Lokozana, Adams. Very good. Able to find the Lokozana, wings. Sundowns.
Okay, now tell me about the one you just passed.
Which one?
Williams was able to find who?
These three players.
Yeah.
Firstly, Amalokuzana, I'm a fullback.
Yeah, tell me about that one.
Wow, Usales.
No. Why do you want to skip him? Tell me about that one. How did he play today? Why? That's when you have a problem with the player if we know you turned. Even if you always want to. That's the point. You don't want to say anything about him when he had a bad game.
Yes. When I
was poor.
Listen, when I was I was still glamorizing the players, something that I don't usually see every day. Then I'm counting those players. Then when you're forcing me to count the players that you did,
I want you to talk about him.
No, I'm not going there.
So you don't want to talk about him?
No, I don't want to talk about you.
My point. Exactly.
What you don't understand me? I'm saying I'm praising the players that have raised their hands, something that we have not seen. Now we've been playing. Sundowns have been playing. Komoro United, we didn't see it. Sundowns has been playing away with Al Hilal, not Ilopop. We didn't see this. We saw Sundowns at first half, second half Hilal, or Sundowns at first half, second half Hilal. I want today Sundowns was Sundowns. Sundowns le any aggression. Sundowns commander. Sundowns bully possession. Sundowns 7 with 7-6. Sundowns el nokayo. Sundowns ehlasela with all English. centrally Sundowns eshama cross mfethu eshama cross hayi bafethu hey
We are running out of time.
Yeah,
We've said
yeah,
no,
you volume much.
wait. I mean, everybody, we are running out of time because Osipo has already said a lot about this game. But I just wanted to talk to you because I had this thing on the things that you said before we come to this game. Well, you have talked about certain players that you highlighted. Maybe how was Leon for you?
Leon is a very good player. You remember, second match, I came here, I said, Leon is a goal poacher. That guy knows the pole. And then that guy...
4 games, 4 goals for Sundowns, right?
Yeah, and then very good on the air. Very good. Okay, not that much on the feet, but on the air, it's very good. And then now I'm starting to be happy because I can see the players now, they understand him. So they try to loop those balls so that he can, because the Sundowns player has not been playing with the macrosses. So now I can see, because that is what I've been telling you, that you won't win this African football if you don't play with the crosses. Crosses is the order of the day. It's crosses, using set pieces and shooting outside the box is the order of the day in CAF Champions League. When you're thinking you're going to play tiki-taka and then you do it in, forget.
Fit, Sundowns is through to the next group, to the next stage of the CAF Champions League. But before that, Sundowns is playing Orlando Pirates in Mtlaga 18. So on Wednesday. Are you seeing the very same Sundowns that you saw today, or you're seeing Abo? I almost called him Costa. What's his name? Santos Rezinho coming in on Wednesday.
Oh.
We were saving about Rezinho for the big game today.
You see what's frustrating about Sundowns? Sundowns can never give you see this performance of today is the performance that I've seen against maybe Dortmund. It's the performance maybe I see, maybe the first half performance when Sundowns was playing Pirate. And then that the game of Skukone, it was not like this. The game of Sundowns very inconsistent too much. So I won't be surprised if Sundowns go on to the Wednesday game. Okay, obviously they will change the lineup, but because it's the game of high magnitude, if the coach can just keep this starting 11, okay, I will see. Ish at the sales. You won the Champions League. Everton, the man said you can't fool the mind. These players you can see now, they know that this is CAF Champions League. They know that this is their bread and butter. They need to make sure they've raised the part. They just showed. You could see that the level, man, is not the same. But going to Wednesday, Pirate is on song, but on the other side, Pirate is really on song. And that I've said long time ago, Mganam Sipo always say no, they're just informed. No, they're American. Hey, Pirate gets. Pirate before it. It would be a crack. Yeah. But I'm just disappointed that this game would be played on midweek. Yeah. That game should be, because Orlando Pirates is always filling up his stadium. So I think that game needs to go during that day, not play midweek.
Well, unfortunately, that is not the case. What is the case is that we'll see the game on Wednesday, and remember, the Sundowns have already advanced in the CAF Champions League. Isn't Ozamba on both sides? Because Orlando Pirates have also won. You could see they've won against Maroma Galaxy. So things are doing quite well for both teams. We don't know. But if you are joining, please do subscribe. And if you are returning, we appreciate your love. Please stay with us. From me now,